Hola bafethu, those abantu on your screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Naniyazi bafethu angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba no.
Sure bafethu kunjani uJuju lo JU nothing less nothing more phelele lapho.
Yeah. On today's episode bafethu we are looking at the Kaizer Chiefs against Durban City. They're playing on Friday, the 31st of October.
Yep.
Yeah. It's the return to the league. I think for the past 2 weeks, the league being alive. Yeah. So a lot has been happening. The Kaizer Chiefs won their last game against the AS Simba Confederations. Durban City lost their game on the weekend against Richards Bay.
Black Label. Yes.
So it's a highly contested game given the position that they occupy the league as well, 4 and 5.
Yeah.
So what do you make of the game? Do you see, what do you see walking away with this?
I mean, honestly, I'm going to be supporting Durban City. They are playing at Moses Mabhida, so home ground advantage.
Yeah.
But we all know Chiefs is in a home ground advantage everywhere. But even Mabhida, they used to use Mabhida as their home stadium. I think 2 seasons, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
But I'm going to be supporting Durban City. Why? Because they will be fighting to remain top 4. As well as Night Chiefs will be fighting to remain top 4. But I think Durban City will have that thing. I would say it's home ground.
Yeah. But you cannot take away the fact that Kaizer Chiefs played well.
Yeah, last game.
In that game, it's a confidence booster for them. They won that game in the first half, which is something that they've been trying to do all season long, scoring so many goals as early as possible. So you cannot write Kaizer Chiefs off. I know who you support.
You know,
but yeah.
You know why I'm giving it Durban City?
Yeah.
It's because they both Chiefs won in a competition
Yeah.
Durban City lost in a competition as well. Chiefs could have confederations. Let's not forget confederations. They don't get to start there. Chiefs won who have confederations. Durban City lost to Black Label.
Yes.
But their last league games, Chiefs lost, Durban City won.
Yeah.
So there is also that element. I would see Durban City wants to continue where they left off. They won their last game, Chiefs lost.
Yeah.
So it's either Durban City is going to win or they will draw. That's my take on that game. That's my take on that game. Yeah.
No, Abomkaya, they are doing. To be fair, their season is kind of mixed.
Hot, cold, lukewarm sometimes. You know, it's not make sure what's happening there.
Yeah.
But if they're going to continue with that streak or that energy, that mentality that they had over the weekend, playing the squad that they played, introducing the young boys, giving them an opportunity, I think they are going to win. Given also the fact that they've used Moses Mabhida before as their home ground.
It's home away from home.
Exactly.
Yeah, and the support that they will receive in Durban. Yeah.
Sadly, it's on Friday. It's during the week, so people tend to not go to stadiums on Friday. But at least it's month end and it's also 7:30. So the only factor that will contribute to fans not going to the stadium might be the weather conditions if it continues to rain, because it's raining this week. But other than that, I know, guys, come on, I'm expecting fans there. Who knows? We also might be there. So support Durban City. Besides the weather condition, there's no excuse. The game is not at 5, it's not at 6. 7:30.
Late.
You back home, you've done whatever you want to do, and then you go straight to the stadium.
Yeah, man. So we urge fans to come out in numbers to support both teams.
Yeah.
I can't think of it.
Both
Both
teams.
teams.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh.
man. Yeah. Um, yeah, I wanted to talk about the youngsters. In fact. Yeah, I know that we're just rounding off this game. We didn't want to get into the details.
More details, yeah.
Yeah, but the youngsters of Kaizer Chiefs, because you could see in that game, there's something, Mapete something, those youngsters. Your Fundo Vilagazis, your Makati, even the Velabais of Shabalala.
You know,
I know it's something that we've been crying out about.
Give the boys a chance.
They must be given a chance to play.
You know, I'll start Makati. Makati came in at a very critical stage with Chiefs. Gunama injury, and then they needed a replacement. He came in, he performed. Then he got injured. You know, I was expecting when he comes back, he's going to be to maybe a lower standard. The boy comes back.
Yes.
We are Nisa, we are Shisa, we are Presser, we are defender, we are passer. He does everything.
Yeah.
What a wonderful player, bro! What a wonderful player, and I'm looking forward to see the boys perform so that we can see them who national squad, because our concern was that we want to see them Bafana Bafana. And then you see Vilarazi, bro. There's a goal he assisted. Corner header about captain.
No.
Uzita. Cross Zita ya header, it's a goal. Buka lapha the other boy. I think as a youngsters, Ushabalala. I think as a youngsters, they have that thing with Bafana. Let's enjoy football. We gel, we get along. Let's enjoy football, because one of the most important factors or contributing factors is squad team for players to get along.
Yeah, true.
For players to understand each other.
It's important. It's very important.
Very important.
The youngsters minutes. Show confidence in the Kubo. We cannot compare with other teams, but show confidence, Kubo. And yeah, it's bound that they will produce results for you. Yes, they need guidance here and there. That's why you need the senior team.
Yeah.
Senior players. Yeah.
Because you can't play only with teens or youngsters only. You also need to balance the squad.
Yeah, man. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to keep those comments going. Likes, share the videos with a lot of people on your
share on Facebook, share on Twitter, on X. It's X now. Share on X. Share everywhere on your WhatsApp statuses, on your TikToks, everywhere, on your Telegram if you have Telegram. Just share with your friends, your sisters, your brothers, your family, your work colleagues, everyone. Yeah.
We'll see you on another one.